Welcome to ACERTUS Carrier. We built this app to make hauling with ACERTUS even easier. This video walks through the steps to get started. Let's review the vehicle removal feature. There may be times when you arrive at a pickup location and discover an issue that prevents you from picking up a vehicle. Instead of contacting dispatch, you can remove a vehicle directly from the app. Here's how it works. Step 1. Go to the load detail screen. Next to each VIN, you'll find a menu button with 3 dots. Click on that button. Step 2. Select Cannot Pick Up Vehicle. Step 3. Type in a brief explanation of the issue. Be as specific as possible, whether it's mechanical problems, missing documentation, or any other concern that prevents the pickup. Step 4. Click Remove from Load to confirm. Step 5. Confirm one more time. Click Remove from Load again to finalize the removal. Once the vehicle is removed, a notification is automatically sent to the operations team. They may reach out with follow-up questions. If you have any questions along the way, the ACERTUS dispatch team is just a call away at 314-334-3400. Thanks for watching and safe travels.